go.
I'm not exactly sure how it works.
It's pretty cool. It's all packaged.
Huh.
A lot of branches.
And pull up bars.
And there you go, Sean.
I wonder if I can get one in.
Woods.
I can get one in. I'm going to go with the short one and see if it. Hopefully it's right. I don't know if I should do it, Jimmy. Got one. Let me try two.
Try
I'll
two.
count it as two.
I think I'm a bigger one.
I don't want to break this thing. I gotta be half one. So I was taking a picture of that pump up there. There's a picture of Becky when she was like 7 years old or something.
Huh.
She's up there like this at that pump. Taking a picture of it. It used to be a water pump there. You could pump it and water would come out. It don't work now. I don't think it's gonna rain too hard.
Nah. This is another one that I haven't been to for a while because every time I come down here, the parking lot's completely full.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's always full. I parked on the side of the road last time.
Did you?
Mm-hmm. I remember coming back here with my dad when I was a kid. Walked the whole way back this trail. The whole way to the river. Go fishing.
I remember him telling me about that stuff, about different things we do. 'Cause I remember we had a little Toyota Corolla, I think, a little yellow thing, and we went flying down the tracks. Started out in Dunbar and ended up somewhere. First we went to Peaches. I remember going to Peaches with them. We got food. Me and Becky were in the back seat. We ended up by where up on 40. And we hit a big ass mud puddle in it, it just engulfed the car. I was like, oh man.
There ain't no, they say there ain't no fish in there. I could have sworn I remember coming up here when I was a kid fishing. But usually little creeks like this, sometimes they don't have any fish on them. I know this one's actually pretty big. You could dam this fucker up and stock it. Once I get all that shit figured out, I get me a good set of boots. I'll come up here, I'll chomp through the creek and shit. Through here, it looks like the sky's gray. But I see three colors, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's why I said whenever you're shooting raw, like you can pin, like it's so much easier to edit raw photos compared to regular ones, because regular ones the processor already did its thing.
I can lower the exposure, but I see what you're saying. You're saying the processor, like
yeah, the processor's
like
already
basically
doing
the
that
raw.
stuff.
It's
unprocessed.
It's not using the sensor or something. It's not using an ISO filter or something. I don't know.
Well, it just opens up everything pretty much to where you can edit it to your likings after the fact. It allows you to do all the editing compared to like straight out of the camera.
I don't know.
YouTube people, they edit the shit out of theirs.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I am people like it's just raw MP4. I think that's what they call it. But you can't really shoot. Like I know my camera I have, it has options. My other camera, but it's just ACV. One's for like DVDs.
Yeah.
So you record and it's like made to be uploaded right to a DVD. You know what I mean? But I do notice that ISO setting, but you gotta set it every time. It's shot. That change because you want it lower. That's what I was. Because everything I do, I have to bring the exposure down.
Yeah.
So they say you're better off lowering it. the whole way down as far as you can, you know. And then if you need to, take it up. You can go up, but you can't go down.
Yeah.
So obviously, if it's coming in here and exposure's too high, all that white in the back, I'll never be able to fix it.
No.
There's a bridge here, Jimmy. There's a bridge here. You really feel the wind coming off them, huh? Get a good one. You want to go try to lower now? Who's got time to go to lower one? I don't know. It's getting dark, ain't it?
Just in case, gotta make sure the battery's still good.
What time is it? About 7 o'clock, huh?
7:04.
Probably start humping back, huh?
Yeah. Double back, and we gotta climb down in.
Way down there, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know either, Jimmy. This might be our last fucking mission. They'll find me with my GoPro. Yeah, it's gonna fall down over the hillside. Nah, because your cell phone will be down there with you. I ain't got my phone. Nah, fucking, ain't no point going down. I can't want to take the camera with me. Should have brought that head thing. Should have brought that head thing.
That way, if you do end up just carrying it around.
I left that. I was gonna grab that chassis. I left it in my house.